Welcome back to Brownie's Midlife Adventure. Where am I off to today? I'm going out to a little place called Cochable Creek up the just behind the Tully River. We're just coming into the township of Tully now, little sugarcane town in Far North Queensland. You can see the steam stacks over there. That's from the sugar mill. It is harvest season at the moment. We're just going to sneak through town. We'll turn right, head up towards the mountains over behind all those hills and into Cochable Creek. Go and spend a couple of nights up there camping. Look at all the traffic heading north. Must be going to Cairns. Cairns is a pretty good place. Oh, look at that. I think we've got a green arrow straight away. How good is that, eh? This is where we're going, Tully Gorge National Park. Probably about an hour and a half south of Cairns. If you watch any of my other videos, Cannabullen, the dam up the top, that's where the Tully River runs through to the hydro, and this is the road to the hydro power station at the bottom of the Tully River there. Where it comes from Cannabullen. But we're going to head up the road here, we're going to turn right shortly and head out to a little place called Cochable Creek. Tully River Bridge. Now we're going to head out this way to a little place called Cochable Creek. Misty Mountains. Doesn't say how far it is, but we'll just go this way anyway. Have a look at that, eh? How nice is that? That's pretty impressive, isn't it? I wouldn't mind that in my backyard. Oh, hang on, I'm in my backyard, North Queensland. Tell you what, even that little pool just down there looks like a good place to go for a swim on a hot day. Oh, keep riding, Cochable Creek. Here we come. Now I've got my tyres a bit hard at the moment. I think I'm running about 30 in the front and 35 in the back. I should probably let them down, but the track's not too bad. I'll leave them at that. Righto, here we are at Cochable Creek. I've got all my camp set up here. I'm underneath the shelter, so if it rains tonight I'll be right. But I've just got the kettle on and I'm about to have a coffee. It's a bit late, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but coffee, let's do it. I've got my Starbucks instant coffee there. It's not too bad, I don't mind it actually. Oh, that's good, nice and strong. I think there's some ant floating in there. So yeah, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, it's a little bit overcast. Like I said, it's not forecast for rain or anything, so hopefully the weather holds out. And like I said, you can see the little shelter underneath, above my camp. So I've got my hammock there, my tent and the bike parked underneath and all my gear. Now there's a few trailheads around here as well. Cannabullen Falls is up along this walking track. Not sure how far it is, I've never been up there. And you can see the distance, a bit of a walk in some of these. It's not too bad. I might go for a walk to Elizabeth Grant Falls tomorrow. I think on my gear will be pretty safe in the campground here. There's no one else here. There's another vehicle just parked out, but I think they're just day trippers. Or trippers in general. So I don't think there's anyone else camping out here tonight, just me. We'll walk down and have a look at the Cochable Creek Causeway. there folks, Cochable Creek. I hope you all enjoyed that ride, just coming back into Cairns. If you did, don't forget, give it the thumbs up, help the YouTube algorithm, help other people find this channel. And if you're new here, subscribe as well. Alright, that's the end of that. See you next time.